Hey guys, so we're gonna do 14 now. So that is solving quadratic with a quadratic formula. Oh my goodness. Okay, look. I don't know if you guys can see it. A quadratic formula is probably like right here, if you guys can see it. But also, the top of your test is this. So I've memorized this somehow. I don't know, but it's a little song to go with it. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2. So we gotta use that today. So I'm gonna demonstrate with 1 first. So we have to. Here's the setup. Here, y equals x squared plus 4x minus 7.5. So you identify what's A, B, and C. So this is A. So this is A is just 1 here. B is 4, and C is negative 45. And you plug it all in. So let's remind us of the thing here. So x is equal to negative b. Negative b is 4, negative 4. So negative 4 plus or minus the square root, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So b squared, negative 4 squared is 16, minus 4ac. So 4 times a times c. 4 times 1 is 1. 4 times negative 45. So we have those in parentheses there. All over 2a. 2 is just 1 here. So 2 times 1. Simplify it all. It's negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 196 if you did that. 4 times 1 times negative 45. Um, just do that. You guys look at it. Just do 16 minus that, and it'll be 196 and over 2 because 2 times 1 is 2. So then you do 1 for plus, so this will be 5. You do 1 for minus, this will be negative 9. Those are your answers. Now I'm going to demonstrate with 4. So 4, so you're going to do the same thing. In this equation, 3 is A, 9 is B, and negative 15 is C. So you plug in x is equal to negative b, negative 9, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 9 squared, minus 4 times a times c, 4 times 3 times negative 15, all over 2a, which is 3. So you simplify it all, it's negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 261. So 9 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5, negative 15. You notice that 261 divided by 6, that's not going to get something rational at all. But don't fret, okay? That's the answer. It doesn't have to be rational. So that's the answer. Something irrational but correct. That's what I put there. And then 4 and 5. Yeah, so 5 is interesting. So in this equation, A is 9, B is negative 9, and C is negative 7. You plug all in. X is equal to negative B, but so it's that 9 plus or minus the square root of negative 9 squared minus 4 times 9 is negative 7 over 2 times 9. The file is 9 plus or minus the square root of 333 divided by 18. That's not going to get you rational numbers, but they are correct, I believe. And that's how you do that. So that's you can study more about the quadratic formula. But this is it. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2. Once you learn it, it's pretty handy. It's a pretty handy tool, I'll say. Yeah. So hope this was helpful.